Hello, I'm in a 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan, and today I'm going to show you a jump start. So first open the hood, and then here on the driver's side you should find your battery. Fortunately, nicely conveniently located on top. But you've got your positive terminal, your negative terminal. So first I double check for any corrosion. You could clean that off with a good rag or brush, because that can cause you to have issues starting. Then next I'd make sure these are nice and tight, which you can tighten as needed. From there, then with your jump box or your jumper cables, you attach the metal clamps directly to the metal here with as good of a fitting as you can, so it's got the most metal contact possible. And then your negative directly to here on your negative side, and you can always double check on the battery as well that this is the negative, there's a symbol, and then there's a positive here as well. And if you're using jumper cables leading to another vehicle, you want to make sure the other vehicle is turned on, and make sure that your positive leads directly to the positive on the other vehicle, and the negative also leads to the negative. If you crisscross them by mistake, you want to try to avoid that, because even a few seconds of that can cause damage to your computer systems, fuses, things like that. But all that said, once you've got this connected, after a few minutes of a good connection, hopefully that's enough to get your battery powered to start your vehicle. If you've been trying that for a while and it's still not working, worst case, if you need to replace this battery, it's not too hard on this vehicle. You just loosen these connections and then make it so you can pull this battery out, and then stick your new battery in, and then just reconnect everything nice and tight, and then you should be good to go. But I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.